If I tell you there is a festival where people happily throw water at strangers in the street, and instead of those strangers getting angry, everyone laughs and join them, will you believe me? I don't know. That's a question that you need to answer for yourself. That is the magic of Songkran in Thailand. Now let's talk about Songkran. Songkran is the Thai New Year, usually celebrated from April 13 to 15 every year. So we are in that season in 2026 and we are on the 15th day, which is the last day. So it is not just about water, it is about starting life fresh. The word Songkran comes from an old language meaning to move or to change, showing the movement in a new year and a new beginning. In the past years, people gently poured water on the hands of elders to show respect and ask for blessing, and it is still happening too in this generation. They also cleaned their homes, visit temples, and prayed for good luck. The water was a symbol of washing away bad luck, mistakes, and sadness from the past years, and it is still the same this year. But today, the street turns it into a big, joyful water fight. Imagine walking outside and seeing children, adults, even police officers with buckets of water, water guns, and horses. Everyone splashing water on each other with big smile. Nobody is angry. It is all love, fun, and unity. People also put a little white powder on each other's face as a sign of blessing and protection. So, Songkran teaches us something very simple but powerful, which says, let go of the past. While you're throwing water, you're praying, you're enjoying the festive period, Songkran in Thailand. It is telling you to let go of the past, forgive, and start fresh. Now, the water splashing, the water party in the street is not just for fun. It represents cleansing the heart and bringing happiness for the new year. So, whenever you find yourself in Thailand in April 13 to 15, and you see people jumping around with buckets of water, somebody pouring water into your hands and saying prayer, somebody pouring water on your head like what you've seen in this video, join them, laugh. At they love laughing, join them, because it is not a discriminative feast, it is a feast of all races. So when you are in Thailand, you just join them and be happy and celebrate it, because you are in your land and that signifies cleansing. Now I want to hear from you. Have you ever been in Thailand and participated in this amazing feast? Or let me know from you if you happen to find yourself in the middle of the street during Songkran period. Will you run away from the water or join the fun? Because no one is left out. They must pour water on you. On this particular day, I struggled to escape the water, but at the end of the day, I was soaked right down to my pants. Everybody that was in the street was soaked. If you don't want to be soaked with water, if you don't want people to pour water on you, you don't even need to come out of your house, because from all the street in the quarters, everyone was with a bucket of water, splashing. It was so fun. I enjoyed it. I wish I had a good camera to pick out to capture how this activity went. So thank you for watching. If you love this, give me a like and follow.